Hello guys, today I'm doing a updated bike review, bike check on the Carrera Kraken. So yeah, first of all I got a little Harry seat. It's a really good seat. It's easy to wheelie, like it's comfy. You can do combos on it without your legs hurting and stuff, and it's quite grippy too. Also I've got ODI grips there. They're just really comfy and they don't really give me blisters. Or if I do get blisters, it's rare. I also got a brake cover that's just a bit more grip on my brake. Also they're Shinamo brakes. I don't know, all I know about them is hydraulic, and they're really good brakes for wheelies. I got Well-Go pedals. I will be getting new pedals, new seat, new grips and spoke wraps soon. I knew everything basically. The cranks are good. It's got quite a lot of gears. Oh yeah, also I got spoke wraps. They just look nice. They make the spokes green. Oh yeah, and the dust cap's cool. The suspension's not too bad. It's quite good. Yeah, so if you want this bike, I don't know if they sell it anymore because it's the old version of the new one. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
If me and my gang pull up, boy, you better get the running, we on your ass. Ain't nobody playing if you fucking with the bag, you getting decapitated. I ain't playing with a nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. I'm the almighty God to you niggas, Richie Rick. Every time a nigga shoot at me, you know I don't miss. Feeling like the nigga Jordan when he went in 96. I ain't playing with these niggas.